Milwaukee's high-performance 12-amp grinders are equipped with advanced electronics, which include constant power technology, electronic shutoff, and overload protection. Constant power technology, or CPT, maintains wheel speed and power when the grinder is under load. Electronic shutoff, or ESO, shuts down the grinder when the wheel is stalled in a pinch. This feature provides greater control for the user and reduces damage to the tool. If a grinder is caught in a sudden pinch, the electronics sense the change in the current and shuts down the motor. The user simply cycles the switch and continues the application. Milwaukee Metalworking, the industrial standard.